Hi. Our first assignment this year in SoundTrap is just to explore the program and find out some of the different things it will do. And I have already done step one. I have gone to a new tab in Google and I have typed in soundtrap.com/edu. Now, you're going to be tempted to click Get Started. Please don't do that because it will mess things up for you. Go to the top right corner and push Login. If you do that, all will go well. So I'm pushing Login. I'm going to use Music Stew. Music Stew is my imaginary music student that I use to test out things before I give them to you, hopefully avoiding disasters. And Music Stew then has password. I've already put it in because Music Stew has used my computer before. So all I did was log in and I said, log in with Google. You put in your Google account and your password. Just, it's that easy. Just make sure you log in with Google. And it's asking me for the password again. I guess it forgot Music Stew. All right. Then just be patient and you will see an option to enter the studio. And if this is not your first year using SoundTrap, you will have some projects. So I'm going to push Enter Studio. And I'm going to choose a music project. And this is how you get started with the sounds. You start by saying add a new track. And I'd like you to spend some time fooling with the drum and beats. And there's 3 possibilities here. Each one of these squares is like a Mississippi. So if I want a kick drum on count on every beat, I'm going to put squares like that. All right. And it just keeps doing the same little thing over and over again. Now, this little purple guy up here, that makes it repeat over and over again. So if I drag it a little bit longer, it's going to cycle through. Or I personally like to take that off, and you do that by clicking the little purple circle that says cycle mode off. That way it'll play it one time and it'll be over it. Now, I didn't particularly like that machines sound, so I'm just going to play around with some of the different drum sounds. All right, so let's see what it sounds like now that I've changed it to the low funk. All right, and then I have to stop it because I took the cycle off. Okay, I like that one a little better. Now, let's say I don't want to go that fast. Down in the bottom, there's a marking for tempo. If I change that tempo to, let's say, 102, it's going to sound a lot different. Now, so let's say that I want to put some Mississippis in and do some faster stuff. So if I want Mississippi's, I have to click every single box. So all of this is 4 counts of music. And I'm going to go back to the beginning and see what I like or don't like about that. All right. Now, let's say I want to put some eighth notes in, and maybe I'll add a crash cymbal. So maybe I'll do something like a crash cymbal on count 2 and count 4. And I'll do eighth notes on my snare drum. So that means I'm going to click every other if I want eighth notes. Okay. So here's count 1, count 2, count 3, and count 4. I didn't really do this ahead of time, so it may sound like a hot mess, but let's see what it sounds like. Okay. So let's see what the same thing sounds like if I go to reggae sounds. So that's what I want you to do. I want you to push buttons, see what it sounds like. And if you get one that sounds extra good, then push the purple save button. One thing about SoundTrap is it does not save automatically. That is up to you. All right, have fun at the last 10 minutes of class, or if you're at home working on this, don't worry about this part. But the last 10 minutes of class, I will take volunteers of who want to share what they have. Thanks.